Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Civic key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you want to program. Remember, any previously working fobs will need to be reprogrammed during this session. Next, make sure all your car doors are securely closed and unlocked. Finally, have your ignition key ready to insert into the ignition. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth programming process. To begin, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, which is the second click, without starting the engine. Immediately after, within 5 seconds, press the lock button on your key fob for about 1 second. Then, turn the ignition key back to the OFF position. This precise timing is essential to correctly initiate the programming sequence for your vehicle. Now you'll repeat that sequence 2 more times. Turn the ignition to on, press the lock button for 1 second, then turn the ignition to OFF. Do this twice more, ensuring each step is completed within 5 seconds. On your 4th turn to the on position, press the lock button on your remote one final time. The door locks should cycle, confirming your vehicle has entered programming mode. Once in programming mode, press the lock button on each additional remote you want to register. The door locks will cycle after each successful press, indicating the remote has been accepted. You can program up to 3 remotes. Finally, turn the ignition to the OFF position to exit programming mode. Remove the key and test all your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they function correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.